We're officially less than 1 month away from one of the best holidays for selling print-on-demand products in terms of competition with other sellers, because this is commonly overlooked. It's a calendar niche, but it has a little bit of an awkward start date. You may be familiar with it. I'm talking about Hispanic Heritage Month, which starts in the middle of September 15th. So in today's video, what we're going to do is basically data mine Etsy, one of the most popular destinations for selling and of course buying print-on-demand products for niches like Hispanic Heritage Month. We're going to take a look at what kind of designs and what kind of products should we be selling to fully capitalize on this opportunity. So let's get to it. One of my favorite ways to get started when I'm doing research is to head on over to the free Google and just type in whatever you're looking for. So I typed in Hispanic Heritage Month. By the way, you'll notice the autocomplete here. Pretty reliable. Again, free. If I hit search, you can learn more about the holiday. I'm honestly usually interested in the shortest path to profits. So I'm just going to go to the shopping tab and take a peek at what Google has pulled in. You'll notice they're pulling from like AliExpress. Apparently people go t-shirt shopping there. Amazon, Etsy. Looks like Etsy's pulled in some digital downloads there. So a seller selling something to other sellers in this niche. You've got, what is that? Books, pencils, tablecloths, banners, magnets, basically what you would expect. Now, if our intent is to sell on Etsy, I think we should actually be researching Etsy. That's honestly how my brain works. So I want to collect data from the marketplace, and we're going to be looking back in time at what sold, last year, the year before, etc., to inform our decisions about what we should be looking to sell in 2024. So I'm going to go up to the search bar and I'm going to type in Hispanic Heritage Month and search. Now, once this page loads of search results, what we can do then is go over here to Everbee and click Product Analytics. It's going to pull in all of the results into a data table that we can data mine easily. We can sort by, monthly sales, total sales, a bunch of different metrics. What I like to do is hit search entire database and pull in all of the listings indexed on Hispanic Heritage Month. From here, we can use the filters. What I like to do typically is maybe sort by monthly sales. This way we get the products driving the most monthly sales at the top, or if it's like something seasonal like Hispanic Heritage Month, we may even benefit from just sorting by total sales if you don't mind it being skewed in favor of listings typically that are older, right? Like a listing that's been live for 1 year, it most likely has less sales than a listing that's been live for like 3 years, right? The first one, let's see. It looks like a bulletin board. Maybe we pull this up on Etsy and get a more in-depth look. So that's interesting. Is this a digital download? It is. So the top product is actually a digital download. I love the design there. It says Cesar Chavez, Selena, Mario Molina, Freedy, Kahlo, Sonia Sotomayor, the judge. Okay, that's pretty cool. Looks like it's doing about 26 sales a month, and that will definitely see an uptick in demand around, September 15th, right? The middle of the month. Don't overlook, part of the theme of this video that inspired it is don't overlook this holiday, but also in order to make money selling to people that are interested in buying products related to it, look at what they've bought in the past, right? Keep it simple. Looks like the next product as well is a similar product, another bulletin board. Priced the same from the same shop, so definitely a digital download. Another PNG image, so digital downloads seem to be very popular in this niche. Another bundle of PNG images here, you can see. So it looks like the most successful people in this niche are the sellers that are selling to other sellers, which, hey, it is what it is, right? If we're trying to make money, then who cares? You know what I mean? We're all capable of selling digital downloads on Etsy. So here's another one. They're calling it printable posters, Hispanic Heritage Month posters, inclusive classroom decor, Latino leaders. Pay attention to the keyword selection and whatnot that the other sellers are using, that the successful sellers are using, and we have the ability of spying on the most successful sellers thanks to Everbee. What does this look like? Another classroom bulletin board set. This one's 40 iconic figures. It looks like a lot of this is related to bulletins that go in classrooms. So definitely I would structure your keywords around that based on what we're seeing. Here is Hispanic Heritage Month Games Bundle. All right, and this has done over 200 sales. Well, 200 sales basically. It's a 201. So a games bundle, again, digital products, Hispanic Heritage Month, flag hearts. So I guess Spanish speaking countries. set of 23 PDF. And anybody who is wondering like how to go and make a successful digital product, this is about as easy as it gets that you see behind me here. Okay. And that has generated 182 sales. That was not anything special. I would say like go get a heart graphic and then use a clipping mask in Photoshop or Photopea, or really do it however you want. I mean, you can use Canva, you could use Kittl to do something like that. All right, we got one of our first t-shirts here. It says Cafecito y Chisme. I'm not 100% sure what that means. Apologies. Laugh at me in the comments if you want. This is indexed on Hispanic Heritage. They got it in the title, so I'm going to assume it translates to something related to Hispanic Heritage Pride. So there's a t-shirt, and that, how many sales had that made? 180 sales in total. By the way, 180 sales, let's say you make $5 profit per sale. That's $900 profit, guys. And that listing is only 28 months old. I can see that here in Everbee. If you can create Etsy listings that bring in, and I mean, I said $5 profit, which is, you know, that's about average if I had to guess. $900 over the span of 28 months. That's really good. You shouldn't be always thinking that every listing has to be a home run. Like, this niche is not so big that it's obvious. So it's probably not going to contain a lot of home runs anyways. But anytime you can add a listing that makes you one sale, right? If you have 10,000 listings that sell once and get you $5 profit, that's $50K a year, right? When I say sell once, I meant once a year. You know what I mean? You don't have to go for the home runs. Another Hispanic Heritage Month, remarkable leaders. This one looks like they grabbed probably images off Google or Wikipedia and then cartoonized them. But again, the famous leaders seems to be a big theme. So if you came into this video not knowing what this niche was, now you've seen a bunch of bestsellers. You know what product type to target first, most likely the digital downloads, keywords to structure around them, or at least how to tackle design, most likely with that bulletin board aspect for classrooms. And you want to do famous leaders, right? You jiving with me here? You taking the same thing away that I am? Another t-shirt here. It says Mexicana t-shirt, Mexican Independence, Hispanic Heritage Month, Latina Power. And by the way, like, you can find that like messy hair bun graphic on a place like Creative Fabrica, in case you guys were not aware. This website has just about everything. I call it the messy hair bun graphic. I don't know exactly what you might call it. The cool mom with the sunglasses. Anyways, you could grab one of these and then customize it. If you're not on Creative Fabrica yet, by the way, use my link in the description. It's better to just get a subscription. You can join for as low as $3.99 a month with my link, and that is cheaper than paying $3 for one graphic, right? So one other thing that I wanted to show you is over here in Everbee, if you click keyword research, we can also data mine. But in this case, we're looking specifically at what customers are searching for. And then I'm going to go to the search bar. I'm going to type in Hispanic. And then I'm going to use the filters right here. So I moved myself so I could show you the filters. I'm going to put include, and then I'm going to say heritage, and we'll just keep Hispanic heritage as the primary keywords and see what Everbee comes up with in terms of what people are typing into the search bar on Etsy, which is the best indicator of what we should be looking to sell. Keep it simple, guys. If they're looking for it, there's probably opportunity there. Okay, so we can actually expand this out a little bit. Hispanic heritage, Heritage Hispanic, Hispanic Heritage Month, Hispanic Heritage Months, plural, Hispanic Heritage T-shirt, Hispanic Heritage Art, Hispanic Heritage Day. Okay, sometimes it's just knowing like basically how you might want to keyword stack your title or your tags, depending on if you can fit it in a tag. Hispanic Heritage Month shirt, Hispanic Heritage decorations, Hispanic Heritage decor, Hispanic Heritage wall art. So if you guys are into selling wall art, that could be an opportunity. Let's go to the next page of results. Guys, this is just a great insight. Instead of you having to try to comb through and study every listing or, you know, autocomplete, save yourself some time. Time is money. Let Everbee handle that. All right. Hispanic Heritage flags. That one makes a lot of sense, especially with some of those digital downloads that we saw that had the flags on the hearts. Hispanic Heritage poster. So it looks like wall art is going to be a big one here. Hispanic Heritage Day shirt. Hispanic Heritage, what does that say? Latina Power. Let's zoom this out. Yeah, Latina Power. Hispanic Heritage flower. Hispanic Heritage Month poster, month gift, posters, flag. You guys get the gist of this. Want to do one more real quick before we wrap the video. See what page 3 has in case there's some other product types that maybe we're overlooking. Obviously, too, it's not saying anything about digital downloads, but the results speak for themselves. When we sorted the data table by sales, what did we see? Well, the products that were selling best were the sellers selling to sellers, Well, actually, some of them could have been going to classrooms too. I will say, not every digital download is to a seller. My bad there. National Hispanic Heritage Month, printable and printables. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Shirt. Sometimes they put the country. This says Hispanic Heritage Mexico shirt. Printable Hispanic Heritage Month. So there that is again. Puerto Rico. Sublimation, digital. It seems like page 3 had a lot of what I was expecting to see here based on what we saw when we looked at the product analytics aspect of Everbee. Anyways, guys, make sure to check out Everbee. It's linked in the description. It can save you so much time from your research process. And if you're skipping the research process, I don't know what to say. Good luck. Hope it's working well. If it's not, you know there's a better way, as I just showed you. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll see you soon with another new video.